Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a mood board on Canva guys. It's actually really easy and simple. So you just need to search for the template of mood board, or you can just come to this web link, canva.com/create/mood dash boards slash forward slash, okay? You can do that and then click here, start designing a mood board. You can just search in Google mood board Canva and it will also lead you to this page. Now, I'm going to just wait for this Canva to load up, and I'm going to show you. You can actually just use templates, guys. There's a bunch of templates to use from. If you have the Pro version, you can use the Pro templates. Otherwise, guys, don't worry, you can also use the free one. This is a free one I'm going to show you and use. You can customize everything, guys. You can customize the text. So let's say I wanted to make it let us find. Okay, I'm going to remove this F right here. Turn this back. Okay, looks good. Looks good to me. Look at that. Did I turn that Y? No, that should be U. Hold on. Let me fix that real quick, guys. Okay, much better. Okay. Now you can change the positioning of this. You can just drag it. Just click on it and drag it. You can change the color, guys. You highlight all the text here. Highlight the text. Let me just press Control A to highlight everything. And then now I'm going to change the color. Maybe I want, the document color. You can choose a document. Oh, you can choose your own color. I like this. I like this dark brown. I want to choose this one. Okay, it looks much better. And you can also change a bunch of different other things. You can change the different photos. You can add new photos, guys. You can add new images from right here, guys. You can add new images. So you can search for elements such as shapes, clip art. You can search for photos here and add them. You can upload it manually, or you can just search here online. Okay, you can change the color, guys, here. Press here, there's a color palette. You can change this as well. You can change the background color, guys. If you want to change, just come here and choose this. Oh, this does not look good with the text. This one kind of looks okay. Actually, the first one was the best, guys. So you can choose, come here, guys. Look, you see the bunch of photo colors that matches with things in the photo. So you can do that, guys. You can add your own text, different new text. You can click on add a text box. You can choose your different style. If I want to use this same style, I can copy this text box and paste it and then move it. Let's say I want to move it here. Okay, move it there. I want to say this is just cool ideas. Okay, this is cool ideas. I can increase the size, just highlighted. Press the plus icon here to increase the size of the whole thing. Increase the size. You can make it bold, italic, whatever you want, guys. So I'm going to make it like this. And I'm going to put it kind of in the middle there. So that looks good. Just literally that simple, guys. Now, if you want to, let's say, get this image, okay, just click on share. All right, click on share. And then you just want to click on download, guys. Literally that simple. And then just click on download again. And it is going to start downloading as a PNG. And I'm going to actually open it up and show you that it actually works, guys. So I'm going to show you just one moment. As soon as it downloads, I am going to show you. So it should show up here that it has downloaded. And I'm going to just show you the image. All right, guys? All right, so it told me that it downloaded, but when I downloaded, did it actually start? Yeah, it did. Okay. So the image is done, guys. Okay, the image is done. And now I'm going to open it up in a new tab to show you guys this actually works. Okay. Once it finalizes saving the file onto my PC, I'll be able to open it in a new tab. That should be it, guys. So let me hold on just a moment. Okay, now we can open it up here. Boom, guys. We have a good, perfect PNG image. Everything is really good quality. Of course, you can change the images. You can really customize your mood boards, guys. There's a lot of different templates you can work with, guys. So